to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. You're about to watch and learn a beginner tap dance combination to the song One Day by Modest Yahoo. Before we move on, be sure to click that link to our premium beginner package below. It's going to give you so much content. You're going to have a great time. It's got lessons, choreography, a workout across the floor, a dictionary, practice exercises, a little bit of everything to get you having a wonderful time tap dancing. It's so much content. You'll love it. Check out that link below. All right, let's take a look. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's jump in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you have shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Beautiful. Let's take it from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. From there, right foot's free. Big toe stamp, grapevine, grapevine, clap. I'll do that new part again. Ready, go. Big toe stamp, grapevine, grapevine, clap. Excellent. Let's put it together from the top. 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, big toe stamp, grapevine, grapevine, clap. I'm going to roll that again and put some counts on it. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. From here, your right foot's free. We're going to do right foot cramp roll, step, step. Right foot cramp roll, step, step. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. From here, I'm going to turn over my right shoulder and do spank step, heel, dig, dig, step, step, stamp. Yes, I'll show that again. 6, ready, go, spank step, heel, dig, dig, step, step, stamp. Now the tricky part is getting into that spank step heel because you get exactly 0 time between the cramp roll step steps and the spank step heels. So you have to be ready ahead of time to go into those spank step heels. I'm going to show you how that transition works, starting from the cramp rolls. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. You saw how it went straight into there, no pause whatsoever. Let's try it again from that cramp roll. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. I'm going to do that one more time. Same spot, cramp roll. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's take it top and do it all the way through so far. You got this. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7. Cramp rolls. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. Of course we'll try it again. I got your back. We'll do it again. Top. 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. From here, your left foot's free. You have stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. Again, that was stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, followed by shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Again, that next part was shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Let's connect those two pieces, starting at the stamp, clap, clap. Left foot leads. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Repeat it. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So we do that chunk 2 times in a row. Let's practice that right now and work our speed up a bit. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. I'm going to do that one more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Excellent. We're going to go all the way back from the top and we're going to add that on. That part comes after this. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Why, yes, we can practice that transition. Let's go from the dig, dig, step, stamp. The dig, dig, step, step, stamp into 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's as far as I'm going to go into that next step because mostly we just want that transition right now. From the dig, dig. 6, ready, go. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Same spot. 6, ready, go. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 6, ready, go. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp. Keep going this time. And shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, now we're going all the way back to the top, taking it through everything you know so far. Have some fun with this one. Top. 6, beginning, go. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, big toe stamp, grapevine, grapevine, clap. Right foot cramp roll, step, step, right foot cramp roll, step, step, spank step, heel spank step, heel, dig, dig, step, step, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. 2 sets of the stamp claps in a row, starting left. Let's do that right now. 6, ready, go. Stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. And to finish it out, 4 shuffle steps, starting left. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. That was 4. Step, step, stamp. Again, that very ending, step, step, stamp. 4 shuffle steps into step, step, stamp. I'm going to do that right now. 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, 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 stamp. Again with counts. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Let's go back to the 2 sets of stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. Then the right foot. And then finally into the 4 shuffle steps. And finish step, step, stamp. That whole chunk. 5, 6, left foot leads. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Of course we'll do it again. Same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now I'm going to rewind to the very first time we do stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Then we do it again. Shuffle, step, shuffle. Then we do the 2 sets of stamp claps. That's the left side. That's the right side. Then 4 shuffle steps. And finish step, step, stamp. We do that whole stamp clap sequence. All of it. Starting left foot, you got this. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And congratulations, you made it to the end. That's fantastic. We're going to go top all the way through. You're going to be great. 5, 6, beginning, go. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, big toe stamp, grapevine, grapevine, clap. Right foot cramp roll, step, step, right foot cramp roll, step, step, spank step, heel spank step, heel, dig, dig, step, step, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We'll absolutely do that again, but let's do it with the music. Again, the song is called One Day by Modest Yahoo. Link to that below. Also link to our premium beginner package. A ton of content. You'll have a lot of fun, so don't miss out on that. All right, we're starting this at about 53 seconds into the song. I'm going to slow it down to start, maybe about 5% under real tempo, just so we can get a hang of it, and then we'll give it a shot. All right, my friends, here we go. Good luck. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, ball change. We're definitely going to do it again. Here we go. Same speed, 5% under. Give it a second round. You'll be wonderful. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. This speed. One more time, then we'll boost it up to the real deal. Good luck, my friends. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boosted about 5%. Good luck. Hang on and let's see what happens, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give yourself a minute or a run through or two to adjust to that speed. You'll adjust, it just takes a little bit of time. Here we go, rolling again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. my friends. One more. Make it your best, and here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. And let's see how it goes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time with that combination. Don't forget UnitedTaps.com. We got that premium beginner package. We have a ton of other stuff too. We got choreography, dictionary, practice exercise across the floor. If it has to do with tap, we probably have it. So check that out, and definitely check out our premium beginner package. It's just a great collection of content and material to get you tap dancing and having a whole lot of fun. Thank you again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.